Okay, so I've just done the accuracy test for the insulation ranges on the RS Pro RS-9985 insulation tester, and I've come across one anomaly when I'm testing one value on one specific range, which is the 500 volt range, and I've got the test box set to 100 kilo ohms, and I've hit the test button. It will show that I'm showing put the light on a bit better, yeah, 0.197 mega ohms or 197 kilo ohms, which is obviously not quite right. I'll change the range. I can't do 1000 volts on this because the resistor is only rated to 500 volts, so we'll go back down to the 125 volt range. There's a button, and there you see 98 kilo ohms, which is pretty good. I'll change the range again to the 250 volt range. That's on. And press the go again. 104 kilo ohms. So it reads perfectly okay on those two ranges. What I can do as well is just switch him around. And we'll go around to the ohms range, and here's 100.14. Stick the light on again. So definitely 100 kilo ohm resistor. Just for whatever reason, when it's on that 500 volt range and you go for the test, it doesn't like 197 kilo ohms, which is almost 100% out. And just for double assurance, off we'll get another insulation tester, because I have one or two to play with. And this one's 1000 volts, which we don't want. 50 volts. We'll go straight for the 500 volts. And you can see 0.1 mega ohms. So you can't actually get up to 500 volts because it's dropping it down. Let's try range. Volts. That's not so bad. This meter, you can read this one fairly well. Range, 100 volt range. 0.1 mega ohms. 0.1 mega ohms. So it's definitely 100k. It works on all the other testers, but for some strange reason it doesn't work on that. What I am going to do, I've tried two different sets of batteries in the RS Pro unit. What I'm going to do now is set up a power supply and then power it from that, and just make sure that it isn't an issue with the battery packs. Okay, we have now replaced the battery pack with a power supply. Can I zoom, see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there you go. You can read him okay. So, yeah, 9 volts. We're drawing 0.099 amps at the moment, 891 milliwatts, and I'm set to 500 volts still, 100 kilo ohms. We'll press the test button and we'll see. So you can see how much current it's drawing from the power supply there. And if I scroll over and zoom back out, put the light on, and you can still see I'm still reading 197 kilo ohms, 505 volts going out. So yeah, strange it is just that one reading. Every other value comes out as perfectly okay. I'll flip it up to 200 kilo ohms. 211, fine. 500 kilo ohms. 490. That's fine. So yeah, sorry, the battery adapters fall out. So yeah, not sure what's causing that at all. Certainly doesn't appear to be a power supply problem, because that's got plenty of juice. Power on the meter, it's not a problem with the calibration box, because all the other instruments read 100 kilo ohms, and the other ranges on this read 100 kilo ohms. It just seems to be a specific problem on that 500 volt range for that specific value.